In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in ClickUp. Changing the language in ClickUp can dramatically enhance the user experience, especially if English isn't your first language or if you're collaborating with a global team. Understanding how to customize these settings ensures that the platform feels as intuitive and accessible as possible. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This step is essential to access your personalized settings. If you're new to ClickUp, you might need to sign up for an account before you can proceed, but assuming you're already a user, just enter your details and click that login button. Once you're logged into your account, you should be on your ClickUp Workspace dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile icon. It's usually represented by your initials or your profile picture if you've set one. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. This is where your journey to customization begins. After clicking on your profile icon, a menu will drop down. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can fine-tune your experience on ClickUp. This is where you'll find a variety of options to tailor the platform to best suit your needs. On the Settings page, you'll see different categories. Here, focus on the section titled Language and Region. Under this section, there's an option named Language. Click on this option to reveal a list of available languages that ClickUp supports. The platform supports a range of languages, which is excellent for teams working in multilingual environments. It ensures communication and navigation aren't hindered by language barriers. Once you have the list of languages in front of you, simply scroll through and find the language that you'd like to use. Click on your desired language, and with that simple action, you've managed to change the language settings of your ClickUp account. It might take a moment for the changes to reflect, but soon the interface should update to display in the language you've selected. That's all there is to it. Remember, customizing your ClickUp experience is a personal journey, and having the interface in a language you're comfortable with could significantly improve your productivity and ease of use. If you ever need to switch the language again, just repeat these straightforward steps. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.